Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I raised my credit score from 600 to 750 in just 6 months. No magic, no fluff, just real steps that work. My starting point. 6 months ago, my credit score was sitting at 600. I had late payments, high credit utilization, and no real plan. But I decided to change that, and here's what I did. Step 1. Check my credit report. First, I pulled my free credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. I found errors and outdated accounts that were hurting my score. I disputed them immediately. Step 2. Paid down credit card balances. My credit utilization was over 70%. I focused on paying down my cards to keep my usage below 30%. This made a huge difference. Step 3. Set up automatic payments. I missed payments before, so I set up autopay for everything. On-time payments are 35% of your credit score. Never miss one. Step 4. Got a credit builder loan. I opened a credit builder loan. It's a small loan held in a savings account, and your payments get reported to all 3 bureaus. Super useful. Step 5. Became an authorized user. A friend added me as an authorized user on their old credit card. Their good history boosted my score without me spending a penny. Final results. 6 months later, my credit score hit 750. It took patience, but each step pushed me closer. Now I qualify for better cards, loans, and peace of mind. If I can do it, so can you. Like and subscribe if this helped, and comment your current credit score goal. Let's grow together.